Hi everyone, want to create a stunning game asset and concept art in minutes? Today I'll show you how to create an AI generated game assets and concept art with Prome AI. Let's get started. First, go to promeai.com and sign up for free. And once you're in, head over to render tab, and this is where the magic happens for game art and environment design. Just click the game and anime. Now, you can now type your detailed prompt. For example, a futuristic sci-fi city and the neon lights, flying colors, cyberpunk atmosphere, night setting. Then the prompt AI will instantly generate a high-quality concept art based on your prompt. You can also fine-tune your image style, lighting, or even upload your own sketch as a base. This is great for developing environments, characters, game props, and more. And once you're done, hit download your artwork in HD and start using it for game design, storyboards, or pitch decks. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Try Prome AI today and level up your game dev workflow.